The latest monthly report by Uganda Coffee Development Authority indicates that in May, the country exported 40,000 bags, fewer than in April. Local producers attribute the drop to hot and dry weather, which has affected production.
The rains were delayed to come, and even when they came, they were too brief. They never lasted for more than a month. It affected all other enterprises, but particularly the coffee.
Coffee farmers are worried that if the trend continues, then business will be unsustainable. Exporters also blame the low export volumes on reduced global coffee prices. This has forced some producers to stockpile crops in anticipation of higher prices in the future.
The cost of production in Uganda is on the higher side because of the low productivity per hectare. And sometimes when the farmer sees that his cost is not covered, then they hold it.
Uganda is one of Africa's biggest coffee exporters, and the crop is one of the government's main sources of foreign currency. Being the country's major export, a drop in revenues from coffee has a huge impact on Uganda's economy. But with rains predicted in the next few months, exporters are hoping for increased production at farm level to offset the May deficit. Michael Baleke, CCTV, Kampala.